Sleep. To rest one's mind and body by closing eyes and entering a state of unconsciousness. She needs to sleep for at least 8 hours per day. Wake up. To stop sleeping and become conscious. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. Turn off. To stop a machine, light, or device from working by pressing a button. I need to turn off the alarm after waking up. Get up. To rise from bed after sleeping. I usually get up as soon as my alarm rings. Make the bed. To arrange the sheets, blankets, and pillows neatly on a bed. She likes to make the bed right after she wakes up in the morning. Brush. To clean or polish something, teeth, using a brush, toothbrush. She goes to the bathroom to brush her teeth twice a day. Bathe. To wash the body in a tub of water or to swim for pleasure. She likes to bathe in the evening to relax after work. Comb. To straighten, clean, or arrange hair using a comb. She took a minute to comb his hair before the interview. Makeup. To apply cosmetics to the face to improve or change one's appearance. She took a few minutes to make up her face before going out. Dress up. To put on special clothing, often for a party or event. We need to dress up for the wedding reception tonight. Cook. To prepare food for eating by heating it. She likes to cook breakfast for her family every morning. Eat. To put food into your mouth, chew it, and swallow it. I usually eat breakfast at 7:30 a.m. Drink. To take liquid into the mouth and swallow it. He always drinks plenty of water after his workout. Wash. To clean something using water and usually soap. Can you help me wash the dishes after the meal? Pack. To put items into a bag, suitcase, or box for storage or travel. She packs her items before the trip tomorrow. Meet. To come into the presence of someone by appointment or chance. I often meet my friend Anna while going to school in the morning. Go. To move or travel from one place to another. He usually go to the grocery store after work. Get on. To board a bus, train, or plane. We need to get on the bus before it leaves the station. Get off. To leave or descend from a bus, train, or plane. He will get off the bus at the next stop. Read. To look at and understand the meaning of written or printed words. She likes to read a book before going to sleep.